India is one of the fastest-growing military powers in the world. With advanced missiles, powerful fighter jets, nuclear submarines, and modern defense systems, the country has built a formidable military arsenal. In this video, we'll explore India's most powerful weapons and the technology that makes them some of the most dangerous systems on the battlefield. Let's take a closer look at India's military power. The Agni-V is one of the most powerful weapons in India's military arsenal. Developed by India's defense research organizations, this intercontinental ballistic missile is capable of striking targets thousands of kilometers away. The missile is designed to carry nuclear or conventional warheads, making it a key part of India's strategic deterrence capability. With its long range and advanced guidance systems, the Agni-V allows India to reach targets across vast distances. The BrahMos is one of the fastest cruise missiles in the world. Developed jointly by India and Russia, this missile is capable of striking targets on land, sea, or from aircraft. Because it travels at nearly 3 times the speed of sound, it is extremely difficult for enemy defense systems to intercept. The missile can be launched from ships, submarines, aircraft, and mobile ground launchers, making it one of the most versatile weapons in India's arsenal. The INS Arihant is India's first nuclear-powered ballistic missile submarine and one of the most important assets in the country's nuclear deterrent. This submarine can remain underwater for long periods of time, making it extremely difficult for enemies to detect. Armed with ballistic missiles capable of carrying nuclear warheads, the Arihant forms part of India's strategic nuclear triad. Because of its stealth, endurance, and powerful missile capability, it represents one of the most powerful weapons in the Indian Navy. The HAL Tejas is India's first domestically developed modern fighter jet. Designed to replace older aircraft in the Indian Air Force, the Tejas is a lightweight multi-role fighter capable of performing air defense, ground attack, and reconnaissance missions. The aircraft features modern avionics, advanced radar systems, and precision-guided weapons, making it a key part of India's growing air power. With its high speed and modern technology, the Tejas represents an important step in India's effort to develop its own advanced military aircraft. The INS Vikramaditya is one of the most powerful warships in the Indian Navy. Originally built in Russia and later modernized for India, this aircraft carrier serves as a floating airbase capable of launching fighter jets far from Indian shores. It carries MiG-29K multi-role fighter jets, helicopters, and other naval aircraft used for defense and strike missions. Because aircraft carriers allow a country to project military power across the oceans, the INS Vikramaditya plays a crucial role in India's naval strategy and regional security. The S-400 Triumph is one of the most advanced air defense systems currently used by the Indian military. Designed to detect and destroy enemy aircraft, cruise missiles, and ballistic missiles, the system provides long-range protection against aerial threats. The S-400 can track multiple targets simultaneously and launch different types of interceptor missiles depending on the distance and threat. Because of its long range and powerful radar systems, the S-400 significantly strengthens India's air defense capabilities. The Arjun Mark 1A is one of India's most advanced main battle tanks. Developed domestically, it features modern composite armor, improved fire control systems, and enhanced protection against anti-tank weapons. The tank is equipped with a powerful 120mm cannon, capable of firing a variety of ammunition, including armor-piercing rounds. With upgraded electronics, better targeting systems, and improved survivability, the Arjun Mark 1A represents a major step forward in India's armored warfare capabilities. The INS Vikrant is India's first indigenously built aircraft carrier and one of the most important warships in the Indian Navy. Designed and constructed in India, this massive carrier allows the country to project military power far from its shores. The ship can operate fighter jets, helicopters, and surveillance aircraft, making it a floating airbase capable of supporting naval operations across large distances. With advanced radar systems and modern naval technology, the INS Vikrant represents a major milestone in India's growing naval capabilities. The Su-30 MKI is one of the most powerful fighter jets operated by the Indian Air Force. This aircraft was developed through cooperation between India and Russia, combining advanced avionics, powerful engines, and modern weapons systems. The Su-30 MKI is capable of long-range missions, air superiority combat, and precision strike operations. Because of its high maneuverability, advanced radar, and heavy weapons load, it remains one of the backbone aircraft of India's Air Force. The Agni-V MiRV represents one of the most powerful strategic weapons developed by India. This advanced version of the Agni-V missile is capable of carrying multiple independently targetable re-entry vehicles, MIRVs, meaning a single missile can strike multiple targets. With a range of several thousand kilometers, the missile forms a key part of India's nuclear deterrence strategy. Because of its long range and ability to deliver multiple warheads, the Agni-V MiRV is considered one of the most powerful weapons in India's military arsenal. And that was a look at another powerful military machine shaping modern warfare. If you enjoy exploring the world's most advanced weapons, tanks, missiles, and fighter jets, make sure to subscribe to War Machine Files. Because here, we break down the machines that define modern war.